Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adjusting the navigation spacing on Squarespace can help you fine-tune the look of your site's header by modifying the space between navigation links or between the logo and the navigation menu. Alright, so there are a couple of ways you can do that. Number one is, once you are inside the Squarespace website builder, I want you to hover to an option that says site styles, and that's going to be located on the upper right corner. If you click on it, there's going to be an option here that says heading, because in this section you have all this base size and headings that you can choose. All right, you have the letter spacing, for example, that you see heading. You can adjust all of these, style, line height, and a lot more, even the letter spacing. If you hover back again, you go to the miscellaneous. All right, you would be forwarded to this spacing. Now, you can adjust the page width. You see that? You can max it until whichever you prefer. On the site margin, this is going to be essential for the site navigation. You can put in the comfortable spacing on this section. All right, but if you don't want to, if you're not happy with how it looks, just click on the reset styles to default. Click on reset and it'll revert back to its original form. All right, so that's one way. Another option is just click on save this for now. I'm gonna click on exit and I'm going to the left side panel of my dashboard to see on the pages. Now there's gonna be on the main navigation right here, you can put in pages here and adjust accordingly. All right, and by doing so, you would be able to adjust the navigation spacing on this specific website. Like for example, this one, you can put in the cursor, you can edit the link, you can edit all of these options for you, like the store, category, social image, and a lot more. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.